Good morning, everyone, from Puerto Princesa, Palawan. You are watching our PPC port. Look at that, guys. Very calm and so peaceful. This is the port of Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Yeah, and there are boats there. And those that land area is part pa rin going south of Puerto Princesa and Palawan, I mean. That's it. It's a mountain area. We have a fine weather today, guys, and so amazing. Yeah. Just wanna share. Hello po. And we are in a particular school today. We're gonna observe classes for the teachers who applied for the morning. Yeah, for the reclassification. And this is me. I would like to lang. Diyan sila sa loob, ma'am. Dito? Opo. Dito, ma'am. And doon, ma'am, sa kabila. Ganda, kitang-kita palang view ng port. And it's a nice, they have a nice building, guys. Yeah, just sharing to you my day. This is a kind of Thursday that I have. Nice. So nice. And then I'm gonna tour you to the office of the school principal. That's it. Pwede na pala kami ni ma'am. Ma'am, ay, pwede na kami ni Ma'am Bell.
Ay, sige po.
Yeah. Pwede po. So, sharing lang. Nag-start na po yung iba. This is the office of the Madam Principal. And so nice. It's a big office. Nakakatuwa. Oh, very comfortable. Ano siya? A nice work place to work. Very comfortable and relaxing. Yeah, and that's it. That's it. Thank you.